Looking to make some extra cash in 2024? Whether you're a student, a full-time professional, or just looking for new income streams, side hustles are easier than ever. I've personally been doing side hustles for over 10 years. And trust me, it's one of the best ways to earn that extra income. In this video, I will show you the easiest side hustles you can start today with no upfront cost. Before we dive into the easiest side hustles anyone can start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new ways to boost your income. Did you know nearly half of Gen Z, 49%, is doing a side hustle along with their full-time job? Back in 2023, 44% of the entrepreneurs started their business as side hustles. But let's be real, starting a side hustle can be tough. Many require time, skills, or both. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we are talking about the easiest side hustle you can start with right now that won't take up too much time and can still bring in some real cash. Mowing lawns is something many of us did as teens, but now it's time to turn that skill into profit. Offer your services around your neighborhood, and you could easily make upwards of $10,000 in your first year. Stick with it, and you could even turn it into a full-blown lawn care service. Interested in more tips? Drop a comment with your favorite side hustle idea. Pet sitting is a super easy and fun side hustle. You can get started with apps like Rover or just reach out to your friends and family. It's a simple way to earn around $10 an hour while getting to hang out with cute puppies. For all you creatives out there, voice acting gig is an amazing side hustle. You can voice content for YouTube, social media, or audiobooks. This can eventually lead to a faceless YouTube channel and a steady income stream. Love writing? Start a newsletter. It takes just one day a week to write, and you could make around $2,000 a month with a small $1,000 subscriber list. It's one of the easiest ways to build a consistent income. Starting a podcast is simpler than you think. With just a microphone and a few hours each week, you can record, edit, and upload your podcast. It won't be the next Joe Rogan experience overnight, but it's a fun and easy side hustle with great earning potential. Comment below if you've ever thought about starting a podcast. Online tutoring is a side hustle I did in my teens, earning around $500 a month and helping non-native speakers improve their English. You only need a laptop with a decent camera, and platforms like Cambly makes it super easy to start. One of the easiest side hustles out there is freelancing. Whether you are into writing, video editing, or graphic design, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can get you started quickly. Plus, if you're thinking of starting freelancing, I've got a free Upwork Proposal guide to help you land your first client. Grab it in the comment or description below. If you're into creating custom jewelry, why not sell it? Start by offering pieces to your friends and family. With a few hours a week, you can make a solid profit and even grow this into a larger business down the line. Are you into jewelry making? Tell me your favorite craft. That's it for today. These were just a few of the easiest side hustles you can start in 2024. Whether you are looking for an extra income or you just want to grow something bigger, there's a hustle for you. Let me know in the comment which one you're going to try first. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss out on tips in boosting your income. Until next time, be freelantastic.